Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your XIAOMI Smart Standing Fan 2 Pro to your phone. First of all, you'll need to get, of course, the Xiaomi Home app. So I'll just get to Play Store. It's also available on App Store on iPhones, and I'll sign in and get back to you. Okay, and now once I'm signed in, I'll just go through all of these things again. Okay, let's search for Xiaomi Home or Mi Home. It will be named differently dependent on the region. I think in my case it will be Mi Home, but yeah, it should find it anyway. It's actually Xiaomi Home. They change the name pretty often. And yeah, it should appear on my home screen somewhere or in the app library. Now agree to the agreements. You can reject or agree to user experience program, which just sends diagnostic data to Xiaomi. And then select your region. Now you need to sign into the Xiaomi account. You can do it via Google, and that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, and now I'm here. I'll just go through it. Then it asks me to sign in, although I think I am signed in, so let's try that again. Now it has closed the app. It shouldn't really happen like that, but yeah, now I have it. I'll just click on plus in top right corner to add a new device. Of course, if you're signing into Xiaomi Home for the first time, then you'll need to set up a few things, and I'm gonna click on add device. Then let's allow the nearby devices and location, and let's see if it discovers nearby devices. You can see it does not, so let's find the fan in the list. Now I have the 2 Pro version. Of course, if you're watching this video but you have a different fan than the Pro version, you'll need to find it somewhere. And as I can see, I don't really know which one is the right one, because you can see it doesn't really show the full names. I'll try to rotate the phone if I can. So maybe I can see it that way, but I don't know if the app rotates. Okay. Let's just try the second one from the list. No, it says Standing Fan 2. Let's find the third one. Okay, it's the Pro version. Now it tells me that I need to press and hold the standby button and fan speed button. So they are basically the first, like the 2 buttons that are the most at the back of your device, and do it for 7 seconds. Then you'll hear a long beep and blinking. I'll turn the brightness a little bit down so you can actually see which buttons. Yeah, you can see now on the picture these 2, so I'll just do that. Okay, I heard the long beep, so click on device reset and it'll start scanning for the device. Okay, most probably has found it, so select a Wi-Fi network that you want to connect your Mi Fan to, and it has to be a 2.4 GHz network, so it'll show you here all the networks that were discovered, but on the top there will be networks that can be connected, the ones that have 2.4 GHz. Now enter the password to the Wi-Fi and agree to the user agreement, click on next, and now it'll start connecting. I hope I'm not too far from the device because it's actually all the way across the room. Now it wants to connect to a temporary network from the fan. The fan has generated its own Wi-Fi direct network, and you need to connect to it in order to establish a connection between the devices at first to configure them. Later on, of course, the Wi-Fi direct network will be disabled and you'll just need the your home Wi-Fi. So yeah, it actually asks me to set the Wi-Fi manually, so I'll do that. It's searching for Wi-Fi networks now. Of course, on different phones it may look differently here because you're in your Android settings or iPhone settings right now, but I hope it finds one. Okay, so what I did, because it didn't really find the network, what I did is I just slid from the top of the screen, clicked on internet, and actually connected that way manually. Let's try connecting to the DM Maker fan, but for some reason it doesn't really want to connect. Let's try that again, because I really need to connect to that network. You can see it disappeared, but maybe it's because it's already set up now. I don't really know that, but yeah, once you connect to it, it should all work. Let's set the room. I'll set it in living room. Then you can change the name if you want. I'm just gonna click on next. Then you can share the home with your family members, so they could also manage the device if they want, but I'm just gonna click on do not share now. And I'm gonna click on don't prompt. You can share it if you want. You'll just send the link to your, or you'll need to enter actually the Xiaomi account name of that person, I think. Now there's like an update. I don't really know why it asks me about the traditional style or whatever, but yeah, we are in the app, we are now connected, and that's basically it. You can find different settings here. I'd highly recommend checking for firmware update. You can see actually mine is up to date, but yeah, that's basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.